Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best budget miter saw in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Skillsaw Dry Cut Metal Saw SPT62 MTC to 22. We reviewed the Skillsaw SPT62 MTC to 22 several years ago, but it remains one of our favorites and earns my pick as the best miter saw for metal cutting. Technically a chop saw rather than a miter saw, mitering happens at the clamp rather than pivoting the table. This saw quickly proved itself as a massive improvement over abrasive chop saws or entry-level dry cut saws. You surrender some capacity by going with the 12-inch blade over popular 14-inch models. The positive is that you get a lighter saw, weighing 20 to 45% less than the competition. It also has a more compact frame and runs on more affordable 12-inch blades. A soft start motor and smooth blade guard actuation, paired with the hot knife through Butter Diablo cold cut blade, make this a very smooth cutting saw. So smooth that you have to be careful not to cut too quickly. Number 9. Bosch 8.5-inch CM8s. This model gave us some of the best cutting capacity in the compact class as well. We were able to cut 12 1/4 at 90 degrees and 8 5/8 at 45 degrees. We also love the thumb actuated detent override design. At 37 pounds, the Bosch CM8S may not sound lightweight, but the top handle makes it easy to manage. Of the ones we've used, it's one of the easiest saws to move around the job site and can be carried with one hand. If you're interested in going cordless, and I certainly don't blame you, you can get an 18 volts battery powered version of this saw with the Bosch GCM18V to 8N. Amazon has been the best place to find it. Even though we have a lot of praise for this model, it is compact. You won't get nearly as generous a cutting capacity or power as you do from quality 10-inch and 12-inch models. So make sure it covers your needs before pulling the trigger. Number 8. Bosch 18 volts Profactor Axial Glide 12-inch GCM18V to 12 GDCN. Considering my favorite miter saw is Bosch's 12-inch Axial Glide, it shouldn't be a surprise that Bosch Profactor 18 volts 12-inch Axial Glide is my choice as the best cordless miter saw. Sporting the same space-saving sliding system as its corded counterpart, its performance and accuracy make it a keeper. Cutting is smooth and quick, and I noticed very little deflection from the blade. Unlike the corded version, there are 4 speed modes. 3 of them can help you match the blade speed to the material you're cutting. Eco mode offers a way to manage runtime if you're running low and cutting softer materials. With 8Ah and 12Ah high-capacity batteries available, runtime can keep up with your workload well, though. Number 7. Craftsman V20 Cordless Sliding Miter Saw. The Craftsman V20 Cordless Sliding Miter Saw offers portability, precision, and power in a compact, battery-operated design. Powered by the V20 lithium-ion battery system, it delivers reliable performance without the need for a cord, making it ideal for job sites and remote projects. This 7 1/4-inch sliding miter saw features a powerful motor capable of up to 3,800 RPM, enabling smooth cuts in wood, trim, and other materials. The sliding arm allows for extended crosscuts, while the single bevel design supports angled cuts up to 47 degrees left. With 9 positive miter stops, users can make quick, accurate angle adjustments for framing or molding. A built-in LED cut line illumination system enhances cutting precision, even in low light conditions. Lightweight and easy to transport, this saw is perfect for users who need mobility without sacrificing functionality. The Craftsman V20 is a solid choice for DIYers and pros looking for cordless cutting convenience. Number 6. 10 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. A 10 sliding compound miter saw is a versatile and efficient cutting tool ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and home improvement projects. Unlike standard miter saws, the sliding feature allows the blade to move forward and backward, enabling longer crosscuts. perfect for cutting wider boards like shelving or hardwood flooring. The 10-inch blade strikes a balance between cutting capacity and portability, offering ample depth for most tasks without the bulk of a larger saw. Compound functionality means the saw can make both miter and bevel cuts, allowing for complex angled cuts and crown molding, frames, and trim work. Many models include adjustable positive stops, laser guides, and dust collection ports to improve accuracy and cleanliness. Lightweight compared to 12-inch models, 10 sliding compound miter saws are easier to transport and store, making them popular among DIYers and contractors alike. Number 5. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw model C10FCGS is a lightweight, reliable tool ideal for woodworkers, framers, and DIYers seeking precise cuts at an affordable price. Powered by a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 5,000 RPM, this saw handles a variety of cutting tasks, including trim, framing, and molding, with ease and accuracy. Its 10-inch blade and 0-52 degrees miter angle range to the left and right provide flexibility for a wide range of cuts. The saw also features a 0-45 degrees bevel range to the left for clean bevel cuts, making it suitable for compound miter tasks. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, it is extremely portable and easy to maneuver on job sites. A large table with a vise clamping system offers solid support for workpieces, while thumb-actuated positive stops simplify miter adjustments. The Metabo HPTC 10FCGS combines performance and portability, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users. Number 4. Bosch GCM12SD 15-amp 12-inch. The Bosch GCM12SD 15-amp 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw is a powerful and precision-engineered tool designed for professional woodworkers and serious DIYers. Featuring a 15-amp motor, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts through tough materials with ease. Its patented axial glide system allows for wider crosscuts and enhanced alignment while saving valuable workspace by reducing the saw's footprint. The dual bevel capability with easy-to-read bevel and miter scales offers versatility for complex angles and crown molding. The saw includes a 12-inch carbide-tipped blade, a transparent lower guard for improved visibility, and an ergonomic ambidextrous handle with a soft grip for user comfort. Its dust collection system captures up to 90% of dust, keeping the workspace clean and reducing airborne particles. Number 3. Dual 12-inch single bevel compound DWS 715. The dual 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw DWS 715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those requiring precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlights we discovered in our tests, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is a bonus, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites. Thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality, this saw is tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. It's particularly suitable for users handling standard lumber sizes and looking for a tool that maintains calibration over time for consistent accuracy. Number 2. Dual 20 volts max 7 1/4-inch single bevel sliding compound DCS 361B. The dual 20 volts max 7 1/4-inch single bevel sliding compound DCS 361B is a compact, battery-powered saw that sets itself apart with its user-friendly design, power, and efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or use in smaller shop spaces where storage is a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety-centric blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. This saw is best suited for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable, portable saw for light to medium-duty tasks. Unfortunately, the saw lacks a blade depth lock, complicating tasks like cutting dado joints. The cut capacity is also below average compared to other models tested, And while it can handle most home projects, it struggles with materials larger than a 2x8. If your projects call for more robust cutting power and capacity, the dual 12-inch double bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is worth consideration. Number 1. Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MIS 6305-0. The Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MIS 6305-0 is a reasonably priced tool with impressive cutting capabilities, capable of executing cross cuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8. This saw meets and exceeds the needs of most home DIY projects. It's user-friendly and offers a straightforward experience with features such as easy miter angle adjustments and a detent override. The LED shadow cut line should enhance accuracy and overall craftsmanship. The Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound is 6305-0 ultimately stands out for its power and expansive cut capacity, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious DIYers and professionals who can deal with its dust collection limitations. The drawback is this saw struggles to collect dust effectively with a bag or a vacuum. Dust went flying in all directions during testing, creating a significant mess in the workspace. Check out the Makita 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound LS1019L if you prioritize efficient dust collection and ample power.